Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're hitting the ground running, pun intended, to explore the top 5 treadmills you can snag in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned runner, a walking enthusiast, or just starting your fitness journey, there's a perfect treadmill out there for you. I've got you covered. You're in the right place, but before we showcase these game changers, do us a favor, hit the like button, share the video, comment with your thoughts, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more tech goodness. Want to get Hansen with these treadmills? Check out the description below for all the links. So let's get started. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series. Perfect treadmills for home use. This treadmill boasts a powerful motor, a spacious running area, and immersive virtual workouts through iFit membership. Additional cost. Great for runners and fitness enthusiasts seeking a well-rounded machine. Perfect for home use. The NordicTrack T-Series treadmills are designed for convenient in-home exercise. Walking treadmill with incline. These treadmills offer adjustable incline levels, allowing you to target different muscle groups and increase the challenge of your workouts. Bluetooth enabled. You can easily connect your headphones or other wireless devices to the treadmill to listen to music or audiobooks during your workout. 300 lbs user capacity. The T-Series treadmills can accommodate users up to 300 pounds. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under Desk Pedal Exerciser. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under Desk Pedal Exerciser is a mini exercise bike designed to be used while seated at a desk. It has a low-profile design that allows it to fit under most desks, and it features a magnetic resistance system that provides a smooth and quiet pedaling motion. Here are some of the key features of the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under Desk Pedal Exerciser. Dual function, can be used with feet or hands. Magnetic resistance, provides 8 levels of resistance for a customizable workout. Digital monitor, tracks speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Adjustable straps, textured non-slip foot pedals, accommodate all sizes. Lightweight design, easy to move and store. This under-desk exerciser is a great way to get some light exercise while you work. It can help to improve circulation, reduce muscle tension, and boost your mood. Number 3. XTERA Fitness TRX 2000 500 Folding Treadmill. This is a good option for walkers, joggers, and runners who are looking for a basic and affordable treadmill. It has a decent motor, a spacious running surface, and a variety of features to help you get a good workout. Here are some additional things to consider before you purchase the XTERA Fitness TRX 2000 500 Folding Treadmill. Your fitness level and goals. If you are a serious runner, you may want to consider a treadmill with a more powerful motor. The amount of space you have available. The XTERA Fitness TRX 2000 500 Folding Treadmill folds up for easy storage, but it is still important to make sure you have enough space for it when it is in use. The XTERA Fitness TRX 2000 500 Folding Treadmill is a good option for those looking for a mid-range treadmill with decent features at an affordable price. Number 2. Echelon Fitness Protective Indoor Mat. The Echelon Fitness Protective Indoor Mat is a mat designed to be used under exercise equipment, particularly Echelon exercise bikes. Here are some of its features. Protects floors. The mat helps to protect your floors from scratches, dents, and other damage that can be caused by exercise equipment. Reduces noise. The mat can also help to reduce noise and vibration from your workouts. Provides comfort. The mat can provide a more comfortable surface for your feet during your workouts. Easy to store. The mat can be rolled up for easy storage when not in use. The Echelon Fitness Protective Indoor Mat is a good option for anyone who is looking for a mat to protect their floors and reduce noise from their workouts. It is also comfortable to use and easy to store. Number 1. Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider Pedal Exerciser. The Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider is a mini elliptical trainer designed for low-impact cardio workouts at home. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Compact design. Ideal for small spaces. Easily fits under desks or tables. Low impact. Gentler on joints compared to traditional exercise machines. Seated or standing use offers options for users with varying fitness levels or limitations. Adjustable tension allows you to control the workout intensity. Smart Workout App compatibility, E1000 model only, provides access to guided workouts and additional features. Subscription required. Solid steel frame ensures stability during exercise. Remember, this list is just a starting point. Do your research, compare features, and consider your personal needs before making your purchase. Subscribe for more fitness content and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.